Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to remove indentation in Python. Introduction. In Python, indentation is crucial for code readability and structure. However, there may be situations where you need to remove or adjust indentation levels. This tutorial will guide you through various methods to remove indentation in Python, along with code examples. Method 1, using textwrap.dedent. Python's textwrap module provides the dedent function, which removes common leading whitespace from strings. This can be useful when working with multiline strings or code blocks. Method 2, stripping leading whitespace manually. You can manually remove leading whitespace from each line of a string using string manipulation methods like splitlines and slicing. Method 3, using regular expressions, regex. Regex can also be employed to remove indentation from code blocks by matching leading whitespace and replacing it with an empty string. Conclusion. In Python, indentation is significant for maintaining the structure and readability of code. However, there are scenarios where you may need to remove or adjust indentation levels. This tutorial has provided you with multiple methods to achieve this, including using textwrap.dedent, manual string manipulation, and regular expressions. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enhances the clarity of your code. ChatGPT